Tacos? Homemade?
Yeah.
Damn. Think you're above me with your homemade tacos now, bitch?
Yeah.
Are you filming me?
No.
Better not be. You are, aren't you?
No.
What are you doing? Yeah. Inferno makes me bust a nut, dude. Oh wow. I gotta squeeze out every little drop. Fuck.
Another one? 3 in a row?
Tres, dude.
Dang.
Dude, that server we were on, they're playing all custom maps, huh?